Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Marco on RC74. In today's video I'm gonna give you a short tutorial about using Glaco rain repellent to use it on GoPro lenses, on simple original lens protectors, and also on ND filters. And at the end of the video I'm gonna show you some raw footage of the first test flights I did in the rain, just to check how the whole drone works in the rain, because I did the whole drone completely waterproof with using plastic liquid tape. And there's also a video of all the details of waterproofing the whole drone. This is a video which you can find in the link in the video description and also at the end of this video. So with these test flights I just wanted to figure out if the whole drone works in the rain and how well the roll-off behavior will be of the raindrops on the lenses of the GoPro and also on the FPV lens, to check if it is still comfortable to fly in the rain or if you have massive troubles with your view with drops on the lenses. So for the test I also covered the FPV lens of the drone, just to make sure that I have the best behavior of the raindrops on the lens to have maximum view in the rain. Glaco rain repellent works the same way as Rain-X. I think Rain-X is the more common product than the Glaco product, but some comparisons on YouTube even showed that the Glaco product even works a bit better than Rain-X product, but both are pretty good. And today I'm gonna show you how I applied the coating on the lenses. Before I started the coating, I did a test of the original lens protectors and the ND filters under running water, just to check how the behavior of the water drops is on a lens protector or on an ND filter without any coating on it. The next step was to cover the lens protectors and the ND filters with the Glaco liquid. To apply it, you simply have to take off the bottom part, and then you have this nozzle on the bottom and this spongy part here, and it just drops out of the nozzle into the sponge, and then you can apply the liquid onto the surface you want to coat with your rain repellent. So I covered all the lens protectors and all the ND filters I have. If you're finished with applying the coating, you just have to let the coating cure for around 10 to 15 minutes. And after this you have to polish the surface of the lens protectors with a soft cloth, and it only has to be a little bit wet so you can polish the surface so the lens protector or the ND filter is shiny again on the surface. And as soon as you have the shiny surface again, your lens protector or ND filter is ready to go with the coating on. After all the coating process was done, I did a second check for comparison under running water with the protectors and the ND filters. There was a little difference, so the behavior of the water drops was a little better than without coating. But to be honest, it wasn't a really big difference, so I'm pretty sure that even without special coating on your lenses, you will have a pretty good behavior of the roll-off of the raindrops on your lenses. During the test flights I also figured out that on the FPV lens it works even better than on the GoPro lens, but the reason for this is that the FPV lens has a curved shape, so like this the water drops roll off way better than on the absolutely flat surface of the GoPro lens. So this makes a really big difference, and I was surprised about how good the view was of the FPV lens during the rain. So the target for all the waterproofing and coating of my drone is just to make it possible to fly in the Swiss mountains during rainy days, or diving through waterfalls and stuff like this. And I just want to have the best possible picture, live picture, and also HD picture on my GoPro, just to get nice shots also in bad weather conditions. So enough talking now, let's jump right into the raw footage of the FPV test flights. They were pretty successful, and I'm sure I'm gonna do some shootings in wet conditions. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked the video. Have a good time, happy flying, bye bye.